17 Subaru STi. This is what it sounds like before. Your sound decibels, right at 88. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put an Invidia system on it for you guys, as you guys can see right there. We'll let you guys hear it after. We got us a 2017 WRX by Subaru STi. As you guys can see, really beautiful. It's got launch wheels on it. I guess they only come on a certain year. Got factory converter there, secondary converter there. We did a Resonator delete. You ordered off Summit Racing cutouts, really cool looking cutouts. So we adapted them in on this side and on this side. What they'll do is this flap opens whenever he clicks a button, and it's really cool. It makes it loud. That's the only way we could make them fit on there and keep everything else stock. So still got the factory mufflers on it. There it is. That's what it looks like. Really beautiful car. Always one of my favorites. I'm gonna get one soon, just for the heck of it. Why not? We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys. All right, guys. So we showed you what it sounded like before. 2017 STi by Subaru. Boosting. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there, secondary converter there. Then we showed you that Invidia system. We just installed it for him all the way back. Look at that shiny system. It's sexy. There and there. There's the old system that was on it. There's the glass pack. There's the two mufflers. There's the piping. Took all that off and put this sexy Invidia system on it instead. So it's WRX with a Resonator delete for right now. I'll have him bring it back after he installs the cutouts. That's what it sounds like with just Resonator delete. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 93. Let him back it out. WRX STi. It's a little bit louder because of the Resonator delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Subaru STi, Invidia system, cat back. Not bad, not too loud. We'll get you guys the link in the description for the sound, I'll get it from the guy. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. Again. Not bad. Go and back it up. What do you think of this sound, Zach? Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Amazing how the gold accents the black, man. It's really nice. It's a really nice look. I like it. Subaru STi WRX Invidia system. Yeah. Big flies, man.